juvenile delinquency and working mothers. Juvenile delinquency. It means crime committed by minors under 18 or 16. Question says juvenile delinquency is increasing because nowadays most of the married women work and are not at their homes to care for their children. To what extent do you agree or disagree? See, if you believe crime amongst juveniles is increasing only because they have working mothers, then you will say, I fully agree with the topic. But if you believe there are some other reasons for crime amongst juveniles, then you might say, I disagree with the topic. But if you think, yes, this could be one of the reasons. If mother is working, she has very less time to keep a check on her children's activities. But there are some other reasons also. Then you will say, I agree with this to some extent. But now you have to tell your examiner what are the reasons. What are other reasons for crime? And you should have ideas or keywords. So let me give you the list. First can be peer group influence. This could be one very important factor, one very important reason for crime amongst juveniles. That is peer group, which means the influence of their friends or people of their age. Second is social media. Youngsters are active on social media. This also we all know. Violent online content. They might watch anything violent online and follow it in their own life. Poor educational environment at their schools, institutions, or other places of study. Family conflict is also to be one of the reasons. So these all can become your keywords or the points which you can use in your essay, but you will have to explain them. And these all will be relevant points. Now, if you also want to talk about the benefits of working mothers, you can use these words financial support. Because a working mother not only offers, or a mother not if a mother is working, she not only offers emotional support, she can give financial support also. And here we can say if she is working or if both parents are working, they don't